In the heart of Alofi village, where the river whispers to the trees, there lived a drum that could speak, and only the wise could hear it. Kelechi, do not fear, I am the drum of truth, only a pure heart can awaken me.
A talking drum?
Be waved in a drum. Only unity can call back the rain. Share your last yam, and the skies will open.
How can a drum speak of the rain? When the ancestors speak, even the wind listens.
OpenAI Sora 2 is one of the best AI video generator in 2025, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to use it to create an African folktales that you can use to make money from all social media platforms. But there's a downside here. Before you can access Sora 2, you need to live in the United States or you need to live in Canada. And also before you can have access to Sora 2, you need to have an invite code. So how do you get this invite code and how do you access Sora 2 if you are not living in the United States or in Canada? Well, this is Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to access Sora 2 from all countries and also how to get the invite code and step by step on how to create an African folktales using OpenAI Sora 2. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to change your IP address to either USA or Canada. And we are going to be making use of a free VPN to change our IP address. So for you to get the VPN, you just need to head over to your Play Store. Search for Urban VPN. This particular VPN, as you can see, look at it, Urban VPN Proxy Unblocker. It is absolutely free and it is what I've been using for a very long time now. It works perfectly. So you just have to go ahead and install it. So after you install the VPN, you just have to go ahead and open the VPN. Okay, go ahead and open it. Click choose free and then accept, agree, enable, and then go ahead and click it. Make sure you allow all this, allow, got it and allow, and then go back. Okay, click this auto server, search for Canada or USA. As you can see, I always use Canada. Okay, allow this, and then as you can see, click this play, that play icon. Okay, as you can see, I'm now surfing from Canada. All right, this is cool. You just have to go back. Okay, so now we have changed our IP address. Okay, so now how do we now have access to the Sora 2? Okay, head over to your Chrome. Okay, here we are on our Chrome. Go ahead and search for Sora 2. Search for Sora 2. This website, sora.com. Go ahead and click it. Okay, as you can see, here's the interface. So this is how the interface look like. Okay, as you can see, those are video created by others. Okay, as you can see. Okay, you see. So those are videos, and one good thing is that I can actually convert this video to my own video by clicking this remix. Okay, I can make any changes there, just like you editing the video to be your own video. All right, and if you click this more, you are going to see the prompt that this person used to create his own video. All this video, I can see the prompt to create it. One good thing I love about OpenAI Sora 2 is the fact that the video quality is top notch. Okay, the video quality is very okay. And also another thing I love again is the fact that I can actually convert other people's video to my own. Like this video, I can just remix it and then see the prompt, convert it directly to my own video with just a simple click. Okay, so now the question now is that how do you now create your video? Okay, so for you to create your video, you just have to go ahead and click this plus icon, this white icon. Go ahead and click it. Okay, as you can see, if you click it, you are going to say describe your videos. That is, paste your prompt. First, I have a prompt here. As you can see, I have my prompt already. You don't need to worry. I'm going to be teaching you how to structure your prompt to get any kind of result. This particular prompt, I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to get the prompt also. So pay very close attention. I just want us to first generate the video and then I'll take you to where I was able to get the prompt and also how to get the invite code. I'm going to be teaching you how to get your invite code, because as a new beginner, they are going to ask you to create an account immediately. Immediately you create your account using Google, they are going to be taking you to the old Sora. And that is not what we want. That is not here. That one, you are not going to get a very good result. Unlike this one, this Sora 2, this is Sora 2. That old Sora is just Sora. That is Sora 1. So let's just go ahead and paste our prompt. Okay, I'll just have to go ahead and paste the prompt. Okay, and then go ahead and make your adjustment. This adjustment icon, like that is hamburger icon, click it. You are going to see the aspect ratio. Put it on any one you like. For me, I'm creating for YouTube, so I'm going to be leaving it on landscape. But if you are creating for TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, you can leave it on portrait. And also go ahead and change your duration. You see, but you can use 5 seconds or 15 seconds. For me, I always leave it on 15 seconds to get a longer video. Okay, so now we just have to go ahead and hit OK by clicking this white icon. Hit it. And as you can see, draft, because the video is currently being generated. That's why it's on draft. Okay, any video that you generated is going to be on this draft until you go ahead and post it. You know, this thing is just like a TikTok. Okay, as you can see, I have some followers, some likes, and remix. All right, so now let's watch and see the magic from Sora 2. All right, so our video has been generated successfully. Okay, as you can see, the video is currently on draft. Why? Because we have not posted the video, so it's going to be on draft. So let's go ahead and download the video and play the video and see what Sora AI generated for us. For you to download, long press the video and click, you see by download video. Go ahead and download it. This is actually 2 scenes in one video, and how I was able to do this, you don't need to panic. I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this. So just pay very close attention. Now let's play the video now and see.
In the heart of a Lofi village, where the river whispers to the trees, there lived a drum that could speak, and only the wise could hear it. Kelechi, do not fear. I am the drum of truth. Only a pure heart can awaken me.
A talking drum?
In the heart of a Lofi village, where the river whispers to the trees, there lived a drum that could speak, and only the wise could hear it. Kelechi, do not fear. I am the drum of truth. Only a pure heart can awaken me.
A talking drum?
Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Like, this is what we want, and we got it right. You see, this is the first scene, and then the second scene, hear the drum talk, right? And I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get these 2 scenes together. Okay, I did something, yes, and it is from the prompt. This can never happen on Google VAO3. Okay, I did the magic, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do that also when we are generating the prompt. So that is why I say let us first generate the video so that you know where each element come from. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Okay, now let's quickly generate the second video now. So to generate our second video, we are going to be using the same scene in order to get a consistent character. We are going to be using the same people, everything, but the story is going to change. And how do you do that? You are going to see this remix. We are not going to be generating the video from scratch. This remix is the same way you can actually edit other people's video to get what you want. I've posted this video. If you see any video that you like on Sora, you can go ahead and click the remix to get the prompt, or to just make changes, describe what you want to change there, and you get your video generated. The video is going to be yours. Okay, now I want to use the same thing, I want to use everything the same thing. So this is what I'm going to do. All I need to do is to go ahead and click this remix. So I just have to go ahead and paste my second prompt and then hit OK. Okay, so our second video has been generated successfully. As you can see, it's currently on draft. Okay, let's go ahead and download the video and play the video. Okay, click the video. I'll have to go ahead and download the video before I'll play it. Okay, now let me play the video so that you see.
Be waved in a drum. Only unity can call back the rain. Share your last yam, and the skies will open. Be waved in a drum. Only unity can call back the rain. Share your last yam, and the skies will open.
Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we want, and we got it right. Okay, let's quickly generate the last video, which is the third one. Okay, and then I'll quickly show you how to structure your prompt and then show you how to get your invite code. Okay, the last thing, I'll just have to go ahead and, using the same method of remixing and then paste my prompt to get my video generated. Ahead and click OK. Okay, so our last video has been generated successfully. Let's play it and see.
How can a drum speak of the rain? When the ancestors speak, even the wind listens. How can a drum speak of the rain? When the ancestors speak, even the wind listens.
Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we want. And we got it right. To the next thing now, how I was able to get this prompt. Okay, now let me teach you how to structure your prompt to get this type of amazing result. And we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to structure our prompt. So let's head over to our ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how I was able to get the prompt. Okay, I come here to my ChatGPT and I tell ChatGPT that I want to create an African folktales videos use close. Well, so this is the prompt that I'm going to be using to create the African folktales, and let me make it talk. Make it talk. Okay. Okay, so this is the simplest way to structure your prompt. Okay, all you need to do is to just describe everything in detail, what you want to create. Okay, anything that you want to create, as you understand it, just pour it on ChatGPT. This particular one that I just write is just for the purpose of this video, it's just an example for you if you want to do your own, especially for those of you that are into African folktales channel on YouTube or any other social media platform. You need to structure, like, you must not understand the prompt in detail. You just have to come to ChatGPT, pour everything in detail. Tell ChatGPT that, oh, you want to create so thing. Okay, you want to create an African story, this and this and that. Anything that you want to see on the video, you just have to go ahead and pour it. Just describe it in detail, narrate it. Okay, the story, just narrate the story to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize your prompt for you. With that, ChatGPT is going to rewrite your prompt in a well-detailed manners, okay, for you to get a better result. You must not be a prompt engineer before you structure your prompt. Just narrate everything, describe everything to ChatGPT, how you want it, everything that you want. For example, this scene one, if you want it to be from this village, scene two, if you want the person to say so thing, anywhere you want it to be, just describe it in detail to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT is going to help you to optimize the prompt. Okay, this is just for example, and this is the prompt that I use. This is the pre-prompt that I use to structure the prompt that we just used to generate those videos. This is how I structure it. So all I need to do now is to just go ahead and hit generate, hit OK to get my prompt structured. Okay. Check my channel to learn more on how to prompting to get a specific result. Okay, I've created a whole lot of video on how to communicate with ChatGPT to get that exact result that you want using OpenAI Sora 2. Okay, so go ahead and hit OK. If you just have the idea, just put the idea to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to help you to optimize your prompt. So now this is the prompt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, but this is 6 prompt. Now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be copying this prompt bar. I'm going to be copying 2, 2. Yes, this is one thing I love about Sora AI, because Sora AI is 15 minutes. With that, I can be creating 2 scene in each video. You can never do that on Google VEO3. That is one of the things that Sora AI still used to surpass Google VEO3. If you watch the video that we just generated, you realize that each of the scene was changing. Okay, so this is where it comes in. What I did was that I combined scene 1 and scene 2 together scene 3 and scene 4 together, and scene 5 and scene 6 together. And that is the reason why you see that the video was changing the environment, the camera position, to make it look very okay. So this is where the magic happened. Okay, you see that I'm copying scene 1 and 2, I'm merging everything together. Okay, I'm copying it 3 and 4, okay, and then 5 and 6, and then I head over to OpenAI Sora 2 and paste it like that. Okay, this can never happen on Google VAO3. Okay, you see the way I copied 5 and 6. Okay, so that first video we generated was actually my scene 1 and scene 2. The second video that I generated was actually my scene 3 and scene 4, and the third video was actually scene 5 and 6. So this is how I was able to get my prompt. The 6th scene now is now converted to 3 scene, and that is how I was able to get the 3 scene that I generated. Okay, I hope you find this helpful, right? Okay, this is cool, this is nice. And if you don't understand, you can actually drop a comment at the comment section. And also, this particular prompt, I'll be dropping it on our Telegram channel. You can head over to our Telegram channel to to download it. So the question now is that, how do we get the invite code? All right, now we have access to Sora 2, but we need invite code before we'll be able to have full access to Sora 2 as a new beginner. So now let me show you how to get your invite code. So for you to get the invite code, the first thing that you need to do is to come over here to your Chrome, search for Discord. Make sure you access Discord from the website, not from the application. If not, you are not going to see the OpenAI community. Okay, search for discord.com. Okay, go ahead and log in. You are going to ask you to log in. Go ahead and log in. Okay, so if you log in, you are going to see this search icon. Go ahead and click this search icon. If you click the search icon, it's going to bring you here. Click this search and then go ahead and type OpenAI. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, so now it's going to bring you here. As you can see, look at it. This first one, OpenAI, the first link, OpenAI. Go ahead and click this OpenAI community. Okay, if you click the OpenAI community, it's going to bring you here. You just have to go ahead and scroll down, look for Sora discussion or Sora 2 discussion. Okay, look for any of this community and then join anyone. Okay, go ahead and as you can see, here is Sora discussion. Go ahead and click it. I'm going to be using this one. Click it. Okay, so here we are on the community. As you can see, look at that. Okay, look at that. You see that a lot of people are sharing code here. Okay, look at this one. You see that some people have used this one. It worked for some people. It doesn't work for some people. Okay, the code is actually only 6 people can use the code. So immediately they put it here. 6 people. If 6 people are able to use it before you, then it's not going to work for you. Okay, and also here you can be DM people. You can ask. Sometimes the bot is going to remove. If you ask directly for code, they are going to remove you. You can DM someone. Anybody that have the code, you can DM the person to give you the code also. Sometimes me, I DM people also. Okay, although me, I have enough code currently, so I don't need to come here again. If you get one, you don't need to come back again. And also, you have a chance to win this code if you drop a comment. Yes, I'm going to be picking randomly and share code to some people that is going to comment on this video. So drop a comment to have a chance to win a code. So this is basically how to use OpenAI Sora 2 to create an African folktales. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube. And don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And big John up as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.